Hi guys, today we're gonna play Doodle by Solven.
So with music or without?
With music, because
With music, okay.
This is too good.
So level
Doodle
1,
world.
are you sure? Yes. So I'll start the first level and you'll go to the second level?
I hope you won't be that trash like that one video. What YouTube channel was it from? Okay. Okay, I guess you got... I guess you stayed trash.
Yeah.
Wait, do you want me to bring back memories?
Bring with what?
Nothing.
You'll play the second level.
Okay. Okay, I get at least you... Okay, you got the checkpoint.
Almost.
I remember that you kept saying shh. We're the same people from Warren before. Okay, get there. You keep jumping over them. If I were you, I would just stand directly under them.
Ooh. Okay, where am I? Is it level 2?
Yeah.
So do you want to go to level 2?
Yes, you speedrun that.
Wow.
Now I take over. Just.
But we finished this level 2, okay? We're not gonna play it forever, like last time.
Yeah, but
How many?
you do two
Or you can
little.
decide where you went.
You do two little space. Our video was cut short, and it ended up being just 16.
I'm not sure how much space is left on our disk. Careful.
As you like to call it, it's the legendary. So I'm finally showing the from the show.
Ooh, wow.
At least that wasn't. Now I'm making a joke out of it. Official Michelle joke. That was kind of fast,
Wow.
you know.
Did we ever do it so fast? Spike. Level spike.
Let me just do this, but this won't go on forever. I promise. It will go on until I end this.
But we were already in level 4, were we? I think.
I am not sure. Get out of there. Spiky blob.
Do we jump on this one or not?
No, we do not jump on this one. And you don't squash it, and it instead squashes you.
Wow, good.
Okay. Thank you for the life. I really needed it. I desperately need lives. You see, whenever those wires come out, you see,
you can go
whenever
get
these
inside.
wires come out, then you can get inside, because then there wouldn't be that, because then there wouldn't be this hole for nothing. Please give me a life. Yes, it gave me a life. I desperately need lives. I thought I was supposed to
What are
grind
the
it.
points good for?
The points? Nah, I'm not really sure about that. I think they're just there for fun, honestly.
Do you get some lives for it or something?
No,
Who knows?
no.
Maybe it's written in the rules.
Rules? There are no rules. There is just how to
There's
play.
some rules at the beginning.
That's just how to play.
Yeah,
It's tutorial.
That's what I meant.
No, there's not some kind of blob shop or whatever. Okay, honestly, I don't know if any blob shops there exist. Huh. Please give me a life before you end mine. Yeah, don't view me as a bad person on that one for ching my mom. Oh, come on. Please, Blobbies, don't murder me. Oh my gosh.
Do we play more? Or do we end it?
Until the very end.
Until the disc is full?
No, until this is completed. It's just...
Okay, so level 3 done. See you next time, guys.
Oh, yes.